Hi everyone, now we are going to look at the question number 2 for mock quiz week 1 and 2 for the subject STATS-2 of IIT Madras Data Science BS degree. So in the question stem, if you see they are clearly given z1 is equal to maximum of x and y. So let us write the question stem as it is the maximum values of x and y. So first we will start from the initial variables 1 and 1. So the first variable, the maximum of 1 comma 1. So if you look at it, here the value is 0.1. So 0.1 you write as it is. Now we are going to look at the maximum of the variables by considering the value 2. So here the shortcut trick which we are going to use is first you are going to give preference to 2. So the first let us consider the maximum value of x is 2 and y whatever may be the value it is, let it be. Just ignore the y value, or you can say keep the y value as constant. So we are going to give the preference for the x value. Next, the same thing, the maximum of the value y. So we are giving it as 2 and the x value, let it be the constant 1. And third, maximum both the values 2 and 2. So the x value is 2 and y value is 2. Okay, so maximum value with the 2 as a preference. So one thing we are going to follow for x, and one second we are going to follow for y, and for third both x and y we are going to take the values as 2 comma 2. Now summing up the values, if you see 2 comma 1, so the x is 2 and y is 1, we'll be getting it as 0.2. From here itself we can directly write it as 0.2 plus. Okay, then secondly the x value is 1 and y value is 2, that is 0.2 again add it up, and third is 2 comma 2. So here 2 and 2 we are getting it as 0.3. So while summing up the whole values we are getting it as 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.3 as 0.7. Okay, now if you look at the third variable, so the maximum, the x value should be 3 and y value keep it as constant, and summing it up, maximum of 3, because here only in x, so I'll rub it off and show it again. So look at the table very clearly. So the maximum value for x is 3 here, because we are going to find the variable for 3. So here 3, x, the maximum value is 3, but for y the maximum value is 2. So therefore the only possibility is 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2. So therefore 3 comma 1 we have written already, and next we should write it as 3 comma 2. Okay, so the 3 comma 1 the value is 0.1 again. So next if you look at the 3 comma 2 the value is again 0.1 plus 0.1. So summing up the values will be getting it as 0.2. So therefore, so first variable it is 0.1. So if you look at the answer options by comparing and contrasting, so the maximum of x and y, if you take the 1, comparing and contrasting all the 4 options, definitely option 2 and option 4 are wrong answers. So the possibilities are option 1 and 2. So 1, for 1 the value is 0.1 in options 1 and 3. Now if you look at the value of 2, 0.7. Okay, but here in the first option they are given as 0.4, therefore first option is the wrong answer, and second 0.7. From this we can conclude option 3 is the correct answer, but anyhow we should not forget to check the third value for 3, maximum of x and y for 3. So therefore here 0.2, therefore it is getting tallied, and option 3 is the correct answer. Hope you like my video, the shortcuts whatever I taught. If you like my video, kindly like my video. So comments, kindly you post it and share with your friends. Thank you.